Hi Reshma. Today I was on my way and there were certain things that just struck me while I was walking with regards to women in India. Certain issues on the day-to-day basis. Firstly, can the police call a woman to the police station at any time of the day?
Well, Hazel, as of what I know is, you cannot call a woman at any time of the day. There is a law which is provided by our constitution that no woman can be called from sundown to sunrise to a police station. And if at all a constable has to visit a woman's home, there has to be a lady constable along with the police inspectors and the police personnel. So if those norms are not followed, the woman has every right to seek redressal.
And what would the timings be?
From 6:30 in the evening, that's sundown, to 6:30 in the morning, that's sunrise.
Okay. And secondly, what can we do about the problem of eve teasing and eve teasers?
Well, eve teasing to speak of, there is no certain law that has been, ever described against them. However, women should take care of themselves to quite an extent, and then there is always the FIR that they can, the first incident report that they can go and register with the police regarding eve teasers. The police is in power, however, to arrest them and keep them in jail for like 3 days, and also there's this very meager fine that is involved. However, it's the whole humiliating act of being in jail for committing such a crime. However, but it would still be, I would like to advise you on this, that go ahead and try to avoid the eve teasers. If at all you see there are groups of people, don't really go and talk back to them because you'll be inviting trouble. But if there's a single person, confront that person, because confrontation is the best remedy when it comes to eve teasers.
Domestic violence is now highly on a rise. So how does one deal with it?
As domestic violence is concerned, it also there are laws that can help women in this field. Today a woman can walk into a police station and she can just, by an oral statement given by her family members can be arrested because she has stated that they have committed any sort of violence that is not only physical, it's also mental torture or mental violence, any kind of derogatory remark passed against her, or continuous slandering, continuous profanity being used against her by her family members.
For women at workplace, if they are harassed, the harassment faced by them?
Well, you work for a company and I'm sure there are many times you've found a very offending statement passed by one of your male colleagues or your seniors.
Definitely.
Now let me tell you this. You can seek redressal. Again, you can ask for all the wrongs to be made right, because your company by law has to go ahead and keep a women's redressal cell within your office premises. So you can go to that person or that authority and you can complain against these people, and you can even give it in writing that so and so person has harassed me, so and so person has said something to me, or they physically molested me. So harassment doesn't only cover physical molesting, but it also comes up to any sort of comments, any sort of jokes that have been cracked on you and you feel that you have been not respected or your dignity has been compromised with while hearing such a comment. Therefore, you can go ahead and lodge a complaint, and then there are strict laws against harassment, especially in the working place, and for the benefit of women. So action will be taken against them, but make sure you put it into writing. So have I cleared all of what you needed from me?
Yeah, that's true. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Nice. It's a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.